Today, we're diving into the festive debate. Which Christmas tree has the lowest carbon footprint? Is it a real potted tree, a cut tree, or an artificial tree? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about real potted Christmas trees. Here's ours. It's about 5 years old. It's been in the garden for a year. This was straightforward to do. We just made sure there were some special holes in the pot to allow the roots to grow through. When we took it out, we repotted it, and here it is. The important thing about the potted tree is it will continue to absorb CO2 from the atmosphere for as long as we grow it. It's really easy to take care of, and it looked great in the garden over the year as well. Next up, we have cut Christmas trees. These are specially grown and harvested for the holiday season, and while they do absorb CO2 as long as they grow, their impact depends heavily on how they're disposed of. Your typical Christmas tree between 6 and 8 foot is going to be somewhere between 10 to 12 years old, so it's going to be absorbing CO2 over its life. If you recycle your Christmas tree and it's repurposed, say turned into mulch or used to create pathways and park, its carbon footprint is somewhere between 3 and 4 kilos of CO2. However, if it ends up in landfill, that carbon footprint is way higher and can result in emissions as high as 20 kilos of CO2. Finally, let's talk about artificial trees. These are made from materials like PVC, which have very high carbon footprints due to manufacturing and transportation. Typically, an artificial tree has a carbon footprint of around 40 kilos of CO2 for a 2-metre tree. However, if you reuse your artificial tree for many years, the overall carbon footprint is comparable per year with that of a real tree. So which tree has the lowest carbon footprint? Well, hands down, it's the potted Christmas tree. So if you have the space and the commitment, this is a great option. If you choose a cut Christmas tree, make sure that you do recycle it responsibly. Go to your local authority website, and usually you'll find there are many locations where you can drop off your Christmas tree or have it collected, and it will be repurposed responsibly. If you're going to go for an artificial tree, make sure that you choose a nice one that you're prepared to use for many, many years. In this way, to reduce the effective carbon footprint per year. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which type of tree that you've got. If you want to know more about having a sustainable Christmas, then go check out the 12 Carbons of Christmas on our website. We cover all sorts of things that you can do to cut your carbon during the holiday season while still having a great time. Merry Christmas from us.